Illegal hunting, sometimes known as poaching, is the killing of animals without permission or in violation of conservation and wildlife management law. There are several types of illegal hunting, many of which are seen as serious issues by environmentalists. Illegal hunting is believed to be a major contributor to the demise of many species throughout the world. In addition to breaking the law, illegal hunting can be a threat to biodiversity and even cause extinction.
The cause of this illegal hunting is due to the production of cosmetic products. They use ingredients from animals to be used as a good for the manufacture of their cosmetic products. Most of the animals used were animals from the illegal hunting. In addition, the next cause of the illegal hunting is from the food industry. The food industry is also heavily involved in illegal hunting because they have a desire from customers to provide a meat, especially exotic animal, to be used as a main menu in their restaurant. Most of these restaurants are large and fancy restaurants. Furthermore, the economic industry is also heavily involved in illegal hunting activity, especially the fashion industry. This is because they make this animal as ornament as well as economic value. Examples of the items that they can use as a product from illegal hunting are jacket, decoration, and even a bag. Most of the lion hunted are skin, fur, and even a bone. They will do anything to satisfy their customer.
The effect of this illegal hunting is the extinction of animals. An example of an animal that is currently widely threatened with extinction is Malayan tiger with the Malayan tabby. These animals are widely used as the main hunt of hunters because there is a lot of demand from customers who want products from this animal. In addition, the effect of this illegal hunting is also a disruption to the ecosystem cycle. This is because when one of the cycle of the ecosystem is affected, then the cycle will no longer be affected. For example, when the tiger population is declining, then the population of other animals will become uncontrollable.
The agency should involve for illegal hunting such as Wildlife Conservation Society, Zoological Society, Worldwide Fund for Nature Malaysia WWF, Department of Wildlife and National Park Peninsula Malaysia, and last, Royal Malaysian Police Force.
Act related to illegal hunting in Malaysia. There are 3 acts relating to illegal hunting in Malaysia. First is a Wildlife Conservation Act 2010. This act applies to Peninsular Malaysia and Federal Territory of Labuan. This act provides for regulation, protection, conservation and management of wildlife in Malaysia. Offences and penalty for this act: hunting without a license shall be fined not exceeding 5,000 ringgit or 2 years imprisonment of both. The highest maximum fine is a 50,000 ringgit, which can be applied for several offences relating to hunting specific species of totally protected wildlife without a special permit. Second Act is a Wildlife Conservation Enactment 1997. This Act applies to legislation of Sabah. This Act provides for animalization of protected area and the protection of plant and animal. Offences and penalty for this Act: a fine of 5,000 ringgit or 5-year imprisonment of both. Third Act is a Wildlife Protection Ordinance 1998. This act applied to legislation of Sarawak. The ordinance contains provision for the management of wildlife, sanctuaries and wild animal and plants. Penalty for wildlife officer under this ordinance is 5 years in prison and RM5,000 fine.
In conclusion, the threat of animal extinction is no longer a domestic problem or only experienced by third and developing world country. It has instantly become a global problem, and it can be said that every country around the world has a dedicated agency or institution to keep the problem of extinction under control. Therefore, wildlife needs to be conserved because uncontrolled poaching activity can lead to the extinction of fauna, and indirectly, we in the future generation will lose the animals that have habitat and live for a long time in this country.